If you're a regular viewer of my channel, you have no doubt seen me use this LA's Totally Awesome cleaner stuff. Indeed, it is a product that lives up to its name, if, of course, you're a normal person and not a fan twerp. LA's Totally Awesome is completely, totally awesome. It's my go-to cleaner. Basically, this is like the Frank's hot sauce. I put that shit on everything. This is the good stuff. Now, it has a very plain, nondescript scent. It's not anything fancy. If you're also an avid watcher of my channel, you no doubt have seen me use this spray bottle, which doesn't work too well, because when I go to spray, oh, it actually worked today. All right. Well, anyway, this is not the same color as that. And there's two reasons why. The first reason why is because I never, ever, ever use this stuff full strength, because you don't need to. You see all this information on there? It tells you how to dilute it for different cleaning tasks. So why waste this stuff? I know it's only $1 at Dollar Tree, and it's cheap, and it works absolutely fantastic, but hey, you could stretch your dollar more. You know, why not? So there you go. But like I said, this doesn't look like that. So first of all, this has been diluted, and then it so turned out that one day I needed an extra spray bottle outside in the garage, and I had one that had just a little bit of simple green, so I just gave it a tincture right there. So that's why it has sort of a green tincture to it. So that's all fine and good, but how do we sweeten this up? With cherry juice, of course. Cherry juice? Cherry juice. Cherry juice. You can't buy this in the grocery store because it ain't juice. This was a bottle that, like, cranberry juice or something came in, and I know what's in it. So as soon as you open it, you'd be like, whoa, whoa, bad. What this is industrial cherry deodorizer. You've smelled this stuff before. Typically in a public bathroom, if you've ever noticed kind of a fruity, cherryish scent, it's this stuff. And there's a number of different companies that make it. I don't know the company that made this one because the label on it is gone. It did not come in this bottle. I put it in this bottle. The old owners of this house left a 5-gallon bucket of this stuff, and the label is like 3/4 of the way gone, so you can't make it out. And while cleaning up in the garage, I said, you know, I ought to see if I could use this stuff. So I decanted 2 quarts of it, and I have never used it since I did that. So today we're going to do that. Now let me tell you about this cherry deodorizer stuff. I found this information online, and like I said, there's a number of different companies that make this stuff, and it's mostly the same. Might smell a little different here and there, but it says cherry deodorizer is designed for use on carpet, upholstery, laundry, and general space deodorizing. These formulas attack odors caused by decomposition. The pleasant fragrance covers the offending odor while the deodorizing agents go to work on the source. These are safe deodorizers with no oxidizing or bleaching agents. That means you can add them to virtually any cleaning compound you want to have a pleasant fragrance. Well, shit, isn't that what we're doing? Wow. A concentrated cherry deodorizer odor neutralizer for carpet, furniture, and general areas. This product has a wide spectrum odor control and a pleasant cherry fragrance. It further goes on to say, heavy-duty odor counteractant powerful enough for a broad range of malodors. Use it as a direct spray or as an additive to your cleaning solutions. Designed for use on carpet, upholstery, laundry, and general space deodorizing. Attacks odors caused by decomposition. Safe deodorizers with no oxidizers. Can add them to virtually any cleaning compound. Dilution 2 to 4 ounces per gallon. Yeah, we don't have anywhere near a gallon or any of that. What we have is this little bottle. This I found, it's got some dust on it. This I found, this spray bottle at a dollar store, and it's yeller. So you put the yeller stuff in it, and it is diluted, and it's the plastic is yeller, so it looks more yeller than it is, and now it should look orangey. So now let's go ahead and put some of this in, and I'll show you how much we're going to put in. This is a 10 ml syringe, 10 milliliters. Brand new, sterile, who cares? I also have a needle for it. I don't know what gauge it is. The whiff knows this stuff. I don't know. And then you're supposed to, this is supposed to like break, I don't know anymore. I really don't. She works with this stuff. Break that off or something. I think when you're done, you pull this out and it locks in place and you can't take it off again. Something like that. So we're going to leave that there, and I'll probably end up just cutting it off with diagonal cutters or something. I hope that's going to work. So I'm going to draw up some of this stuff. Oh yeah, that's the deal. Let's see. Oh, of course it doesn't reach, so with the thing on it. Oh, it does. It fits. So just draw some up. Now, there's 10 mLs. The dilution on this stuff said 2 to 4 ounces per gallon. This is nowhere near any of that stuff. So we're going to just put in, I don't know, 2 milliliters. It has a cherry fragrance. I think I want to do 5. There's 5 mLs. I'll cover it. I'll cover up this stuff so it doesn't spill. And I got a cloth there, so we'll shake this to disperse it throughout. And in fact, I'm going to just take this stuff down because it doesn't need to be here to get wet. I'm wiping the thing off. I'm going to be cleaning it anyway. That's smart, right? So anyway, there we are. It actually did not tincture it at all. Now, there's going to be 2-3 sprays that will not have any scent. Yep, just smells like plain old LA's because that's what was in the tube. Very, 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 very mild. I guess I'm really scaling back on this stuff, and I think I will dump in the other 5 mLs. I didn't do the conversion of how many mLs are in an ounce, but it's a lot more than 10, I know that. So we'll just squirt that in there. There. That smells quite cherryish now. And we'll try it again. I think it has darkened just the tiniest bit. Okay, now the new stuff. Yeah, it's coming. Yeah. Of course, your nose, only does so much till it can't smell it anymore. This is an extraordinarily weak solution. But now it's a very light scent now. It's definitely a lot better than it was before. Certainly considerably stronger. But indeed, absolutely 100% did indeed sweeten this stuff up. It's not that it smells bad at all. It doesn't smell bad. It doesn't smell good either. It's kind of almost a neutral type smell. But yeah, with a little shot of that cherry juice in there, I'll tell you, that's going to be a joy to use. I do like it a lot. So, where do you get cherry juice from? I think in a quick search I did today, I saw a gallon or so of it on Amazon. So, if memory serves, I think it was about $22 for the gallon. That's expensive because you're only buying a gallon. But then again, if you're using 2 to 4 ounces per gallon of water or cleaning fluid of some kind, that gallon is 128 ounces. So you will have 64 servings of cherry juice. Not too bad. So if you divide that out, it's actually pretty cheap per cleaning event. So not all that bad. I like this cherry deodorizer stuff, and I'm glad I finally put it to use. And it didn't tincture it, but it sure definitely sweetened it up, and that was the whole point of this. If you like this video, make sure you click like. If you didn't, please click dislike twice. Thanks so much for watching. Smash the subscribe button while you're at it. And take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.